Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools: a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2032 battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Ensure you have a clean, well-lit area to work, which helps prevent losing small parts. This preparation step is crucial for a successful battery replacement. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the key ring attaches. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing during this step. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR 2032 battery, making sure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. This ensures proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and gently press them back together until you hear a satisfying click. This sound confirms that the fob is securely closed. Once reassembled, head to your Jeep Grand Cherokee and test all the key fob's functions to ensure everything is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.